Got these two helpers, look. One on his phone, one on PlayStation. Thanks for your help, boys.
Welcome.
Useless. Useless. Things are coming on nicely. We've got more or less this side down to the height and the squareness that we want it. Bit of cleaning off down here. One more side to do, and then across the front then. Going out of room a little bit, ready for the digger man. We should be able to manage. Yeah, if you want. Yeah, you take the digger off then, and I'll show you how to change these pins. Good lad. Right, let's come down here then. You'll take them 2 pins out of there.
Okay.
That's it. Fold it back and then pull it up. That's it. Put that one out there. Got loads of them. Get in front of the camera. Put that one out there. Pull it all the way back. That's it. Now we get that on the pin. Just get a tap on there. I'll get it started for you. Don't hit my hand. Don't hit my hand. Just get a gentle tap. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. That's it. Now it's sticking out the other side.
Pull it out.
Yeah, pull it out. Watch the grease on your fingers. That's it. Pull that out. Put it down here.
And
yeah, and that one, that frees that arm up there, you see. And then we take this one out and get it started again. That's it. Get out a few taps. Watch my hands. Go on then. Couple more. That's it. And take it out. Watch the grease on your fingers. Yeah.
Needs a bit more.
Go on. Just get a little twist as you do it. It'll come loose, that then. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. That's that one out. So
and then all we need to do is move the bucket.
That's it. And we'll move the bucket out of the way. Like that. Get the bigger one so we can shovel some stuff up. There we go. Get this big one.
That's the biggest one.
Hey?
That's the biggest one.
That's it. And we'll line it. Line it up again. And then we want to
put the pins back in.
Yeah, I want to put the pins back in, and we need to try and these going that way because them holes where the pins goes on that side. So we'll try and get that lined up. Normally I do this with digger turned on. Put that pin in that side now. In there, look. Now that little inch pin that round this side. Pop it through the hole and then snap it over. That's it, and then snap it once it's all the way through. That's it, and then snap it round the ring. Perfect. Right, and we'll get the second one in now. Get this one in here, look. Now with this one, might need to start the digger up and lift it up a little bit. So start the digger and just lift the bucket a little bit. Get on the seat, lift the bucket up slightly. That's it, lovely. Hold it there. That's it. That's it.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah. How to change the bucket on the digger. That's it, all done. You wipe your hands. Hang on a minute, move the tools out of the way. Right, just turn the arm round, just turn the digger around now so the arm's on the pile of, that's it. Good lad, that's enough. That's it, good lad. Right, turn it off then. That's it. Good lad. Well done. Well, that's the end of weekend number 2, and we've got the footings all excavated, ready for some concrete being delivered next week. I've not worked out the quantities yet, but in my next video I'll do some practical tips on setting out the level of the concrete using the dumpy level or optical level, whatever you want to call it. Looking at around about 400mm of concrete over a 19 metre total span, roughly about 4 or 5 cube I'm guessing. But as you can see, it's all nicely excavated, flat bottom down to a good, in about 8 to 10 inches of clay there, which is plenty, but we're going above that slightly. Bit deeper on the sides in places, and a bit of a awkward dig down there, but we managed to get it out. So we should be able to get the levels all the way around, no problem. Here's my youngest. He's desperate to have another go on the digger before it goes back on Tuesday. So I'll give him a go on it.